Introduction and storage. From the popular Apple iPhone X, the Oppo F7, sequel to the Oppo F5, two flaunts a similar design. The handset comes with the notch at the front and sports an almost bezel-less display. The device features a metal body and also has a fingerprint reader which is slotted at the back. The Oppo F7 can safely be considered as a selfie-focused smartphone considering the fact that their handset ships with a powerful front-facing sensor. The Oppo F7 ships with 64 GB of internal storage space which one can expand easily using a microSD card up to 256 GB. To expand the storage, you have to use the hybrid SIM slot. Performance and battery. The Oppo F7 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek chipset which is clocked at 2.6 GHz and 4 GB of RAM. The device is designed to ensure seamless performance and simultaneously aid lag-free multitasking. For power, there is a 3,400 mAh battery under the hood that can last for 24 hours under moderate usage. Camera and platform. The Oppo F7 runs the Android 8.1 operating system out of the box and is bundled with dual 16+5 megapixel rear shooters that aids quality imaging and videos. Also, to help you shoot in low light, there is an LED flash at the back. On the front, there is an impressive 25 megapixel front snapper which can capture stunning selfies and also help in video calling. Display and connectivity. The Oppo F7 flaunts a big 6.23-inch Full HD Plus IPS display which is bright and reproduces vivid colors. The screen also comes with Corning's Gorilla Glass protection. The big screen on the Oppo F7 makes it ideal for watching videos and playing games. For connectivity, you have options like 4G with VoLTE, GPS, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi 802.11 and microSD 2.0 port. Also, there is dual SIM support that allows users to use two networks simultaneously.